Welcome. If you want to keep your Facebook page fans private, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to hide your page fans tab on the Facebook app using your PC, following the latest update. This will help boost your privacy and control who can see your fans list, which is especially useful for creators, business owners, or anyone who values privacy. First, let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. At the top right corner of your Facebook homepage, find and click on your profile photo. This will bring up a menu with several options. In this menu, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. A new submenu will appear. Select Settings from this list. This is where you control most aspects of your Facebook experience, including page privacy. Next, look for the section labeled Page and Tagging. Click on it to open more options. Here you'll see a range of choices related to your page's audience and interaction controls. Now, pay close attention to the setting called Who Can See the Fans tab on your page. Click on this option. By default, it might be set to something like Everyone or Friends. But to keep your fans private, you need to limit visibility. Select the Only Me option. This means that only you will be able to see the Fans tab on your page, ensuring that no one else can view the list of people who like or follow your page. After you've made your choice, simply click Done to save your settings. That's it. You've hidden your Page Fans tab in just a few easy steps. From now on, you're the only one with access to your fans list, giving you greater control over your page's privacy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Stay safe and enjoy more privacy on Facebook.